Okay, so I'm showing this secret because some people are complaining their account size. They're having a small account size, small equity, so it's hard for them to really trade VIX. Sorry, to trade indices on Deriv. Okay, so now I'm trying to show you guys that with this strategy, you can use account sizes. No, it's not a problem. Right, you're using a smaller account size. It's not a showstopper. Okay, so um this is it. This is strategy I'm using. It's a price action strategy, but my own strategy is far different from what every other person are using up here. Okay, you guys should know that I have the best strategy out there. Yeah, so I'm about to share this secret with you guys, and I want to teach, I want to mentor like few persons on how to to actually make profits, extract profit from the market using this strategy. Okay, so it's your boy Etiforex, the major. If you're new on our channel, kindly hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to join our free Telegram channel. Okay, leave some good comments as well. Okay, so yeah, this is a price action strategy. Okay, it's not just price action strategy. I combine this strategy with so many other proven strategies. Okay, so yeah, this was our entry at this point. As you can see here, this was our entry. This was entry at this point, and our SL was few pips below this level here. Okay, so why did I keep my SL below that level? That's because there's a structure here. Okay, you need to hide your SL. It's very important you hide your SL because that's always their target. That's always their target. They are looking at hitting your SL. Okay, to grab liquidity. So once they get your SL, you're taken out. The more they reduce number of people holding this trade at the moment, they'll be able to take charge of the trade. Okay, so that's the manipulation. When they say manipulation in the market, they just want to take you out, take every other person's out so that they'll be able to control the market. So now, so you need to hide your SL somewhere. You need to be smart enough to know where to hide your SL. So this is why I should be your mentor, so as to show you how to hide your SL. Okay, the levels you need to hide your SL. So this is our entry at this level. Our SL was few pips below this level here. Then you can see price drop from this point from our entry down here. We were not afraid. I wasn't afraid because I knew what I was doing, right? I know what I was doing. I mean, I'm the best guy out there. Well, we've made over 300 successful traders all over the world. Okay, so this is what we've been doing, right? So when I saw price dropping to this level, I was looking for some reasons to take a trade. So when I saw this move here and price came back to this level, I opened a position. You can see the sniper entry at that point, right? So I opened a position at that level. Then price started running. We smashed our TP1 somewhere here. Okay, we smashed our TP1 somewhere here, and we are approaching TP2 at this very moment. So now another thing, since you're using a small account like a $10 account, $20 account, what you need to do is for you to choose um an asset that is not really volatile like the 25. Okay, VIX 25 is not volatile at all. VIX 100 one is, VIX 10, VIX 10 one is, those ones are not really volatile. VIX 75 one is are not volatile. So if you're having a small account, I think you should be looking for less volatile assets to work on, to trade on. Do you understand? With these ones, you can grow, compound your profits gradually till you get your capital to a reasonable amount that you can be opening big lot size. You can be trading other volatile assets. Okay, so yeah, so this was our entry, like I said. And let me go to a higher time frame so I can show you guys the reason we gave this call. I gave the call. So I see some people see this rejection here and they think price is gonna drop and never to come up. I saw this rejection, but I had to ignore the rejection because I knew price has got into my area of interest where price would definitely reverse at that point. Okay, so yeah, can see on the 4 hours here, this is an uptrend. This is an uptrend. See what price has been doing, going up and down, then push up again, keep doing the same thing. So when I saw price dropping again at this very point, okay, so I saw this very green candlestick at this point. Yeah, I knew that price would not pass this level. Price can never pass this level. I know that price can never pass this level at this point. Okay, so I had to open a position at that point. I gave this signal. Now, some people think price has broken um, this trend and it has been invalidated. This trend here, this is a trend here. Mm. You can see that trend right there. If we go to 1 hour, see that price has broken that level, went up again as if it has retested that level. So with that, some people start selling at that point, hoping that price will be dropping down more. But you can see what happened. So this stuff is really tricky. This stuff is really tricky. So you need to be very, very smart and flexible. Okay. So after saying that, see that price has broken this level and did a kind of retest at this very point. I know the price will be pushing up again around this level because it has shown a bullish move at this point when price went above this previous level here. You can see that long wick. So when I saw price moved above that previous level there, I knew the price will be coming up again, and it's going to break this level here. You see this level here, price is breaking this level, but we don't want to be greedy. Okay, we decided to take profit at this order block level on the 1 hour. You can see the order block right there. So we are taking profit at that very point in case price decide to, kind of pull back a bit before going up. Okay, so we've been holding these trades since yesterday. You can see what happened here on the 1 hour. Price started going down and down and down, and we didn't jump out because we knew the direction of the market. That's why we held the trade till now. Okay, so we just smashed our TP1 here, about to smash our TP2 here. So we'll be dropping videos like this like every other day on this channel. So happy new year everyone. Always come down to this channel to watch how to make money from the market. And another thing is coming up now. We are dropping um currencies. We're dropping currency setups as well because we are helping a lot of people. They are crying. We've heard you people crying. You guys need um currency setups signals as well, and you want to pass your profane. So the idea is for us to help people pass their profane this year. Okay, their profane account this year. Okay, so if you get an account, just come to us, whatever amount it is, just come to us. We're gonna assist to give you our very best for you to pass the profane challenge. Okay, so yeah, that's it. We'll be dropping strategies, some management tips, um some contents that will help you grow this year on this channel like every other day. Okay, so don't forget to hit me up, chat me up, check the description area for my link. Okay, chat me up directly. And there are so many scammers up here. You need to be careful. Okay, if you chat me up, if it's not my you don't click my link or you check the free telegram channel for my link, please don't just chat any random person. Okay, yeah, don't chat any random person unnecessarily. Okay, yeah, so let me be your mentor. Let's grow together this year. We make sure that we make good profit this year. Join the team, guys. Once you subscribe for our mentorship, you'll be added on the VIP signal platform for lifetime access, VIP signal access. Okay, so yeah, that'll be all for now. Don't forget to smash the like button, the subscribe button, comments, and join the free Telegram channel. Love you guys. Bye bye.